It was in this moment, while bobbing my head awkwardly, that I realized how affiliate marketing was going to change my life. I wasn't just an attendee here at this company's event. I was here to accept an award as a top affiliate, selling over...
You are responsible for over $1 million of
their products online. The first person to ever do it. The best part? This company is a female-only fitness brand, and last time I checked, I'm a dude. So how was I able to make so much money promoting a female-only brand as a guy? Well, to go forward, first we need to go back. This is my first cringy dance tutorial on YouTube attempting to teach people how to dance. I started to build a sizable following, and people started to ask me about other products and recommendations besides my dance tutorials. This is how I first learned about affiliate marketing. I learned that I could share my favorite clothing companies or what kind of headphones I wore, and if my followers clicked on the links I provided them and purchased, I would make a commission. Fast forward 10 years later, and now I've learned that you can make so much money from affiliate marketing, you can retire hire your dad, that you can travel the world or live in a van because of how passive affiliate marketing income is. That you actually don't need a social media following at all to do affiliate marketing, hence why I'm basically the only guy at this lady event. Affiliate marketing has changed my life, and now with this course, I hope it can change yours too. This course will take you from zero to hero in affiliate marketing, from teaching everything from building an affiliate brand, researching the best affiliate offers, and scaling to a 6- and 7-figure business as I've done time and time again with affiliate marketing. Consider it an MBA level course on affiliate marketing. Join the program today by visiting adrianbrambila.com/affiliate, and I look forward to your success.